Christmas decorating season has started, and I'm so excited to share with all of you this snowflake hanger that I've been seeing all over Pinterest, so I had to give it a shot myself. So I went to my local Dollar Tree and I got some hangers. They come in threes. You only need 16 of them, so I got 6 packages. They also had the small ones, so I got some of those. And whatever else decoration that you want to add to your snowflake. And some of these you may already have at home. You're also going to need some zip ties or some cable ties. So we're going to do our first layer and also our first 8 hangers. We're going to split that up into 2s just like this. And you just want to take the bottom pieces, stick them together, and place it beside your first set of 2s. And we're going to be doing this until you have all of your 8 hangers kind of touching one another. Pro tip for all of you, make sure that the hooks are facing the same way. So all of mine are facing up, and they'll just look so much better when you do this. So now onto our top layer and also our last set of 8s. We're going to be finding where the middle of the hooks are on the first layer and basically doing the same thing that we did before, but just overlapping everything so we are making a beautiful star or a snowflake, whatever you want to call it. Let's pause this for a moment just in case you're wondering the size of the small ones compared to the big ones. It's 26 inches and also 35 for the big one. So now this is when we use our cable ties or your zip ties to put everything together. I thought that I was able to pull it off with my glue gun, but obviously I don't think that's going to hold everything together because they will just come apart. So having the cable ties can secure everything and make sure that it's not going to break on you. You don't need to go crazy with these. You just have to find the places where pretty much everything connects together. So if like 4 hangers connect together, that's the perfect place to put it. An important tip when putting the zip ties on is that you don't tighten them right away. You just want to put them in the spots where you want them, and then when you have everything, then you can start tightening them together. Next step is obviously cutting the excess zip ties off, and now you're ready to decorate this however you want to. And this is just something extra. You can leave it the way it is, but it's always nice to make it unique and customize it to however way you want to. Add some lights and you're all done. I'm so in love with the way it looks. It doesn't look cheap at all, and you can put it indoors or outdoors. If you enjoyed this DIY, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also I'd love to hear you comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll be doing a lot of Christmas DIY, so hopefully you stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.